Okay, so we'll look at equations now. So this is combining our work that we did in chapter 1 on algebraic fractions with now the solving quadratics. So we start off by getting our common denominator, x minus 3 upon x minus 4. So we say it's 6 upon x minus 4 plus 2 upon x minus 3, and then it equals 5. Just leave the 5 where it is. Now we want to multiply out all our brackets, so we'll get 6x minus 24 plus 2x minus 6, and this time we are going to multiply out the bottom line, x squared minus 3x minus 4x plus 12. Okay, we're going to tidy up both lines then, so we have 8x minus 30 in the top, and x squared minus 7x plus 12 on the bottom. Now I'm going to bring the denominator across to the other side, so we get 8x minus 30 equals 5 upon x squared minus 7x plus 12. We want to then multiply out our bracket here, so we get 5x squared minus 35x plus 60. We want to bring everything to the one side. So we get 5x squared minus 43x plus 90. Our product, 5 times 90, is 450. Our sum is minus 43. And our two numbers then are minus 18 and minus 25. I'm going to rewrite the equation. 5x squared minus 25x minus 18x plus 90. Factorise our two pairs, so we get 5x upon x minus 5 minus 18 upon x minus 5. So we get x minus 5 upon 5x minus 18. So either x minus 5 is 0, so x is 5, or 5x minus 18 is 0, which would give you 5x equals 18, and x equals 18 over 5. Okay, our second one, 4 over x minus 1 minus 2 over 1 minus x equals 3. So again, get our common denominator. Our top line then is going to become 4 upon 1 minus x minus 2 upon x minus 1. And the most common mistake people make is to mess up the minus sign, so you just need to be really careful. 4 minus 4x minus 2x plus 2, and again I'm going to multiply out our bottom line. So we'll get x minus x squared minus 1 plus x, and our 3 stays where it is. So tidying up the top and the bottom, we've got 6 minus 6x, and on the bottom of minus x squared plus 2x minus 1 equals 3. So I'm going to bring the bottom line up to the other side, and you get 3 upon all of that. So multiply out, and we get minus 3x squared plus 6x minus 3. I'm going to bring everything across to the right hand side, so we've got 3x squared minus 6x minus another 6x plus 6 plus 3 equals 0. Tidy that up. 3x squared minus 12x plus 9 equals 0. Now just to make it easy, or easier, I can divide everything here by 3. And then say our product is 3, our sum is minus 4. So two numbers that multiply together to give you 3 and add to give you minus 4, or minus 3 and minus 1. So it can go straight to the brackets x minus 3 upon x minus 1 equals 0. So either x minus 3 is 0, which gives you x is 3, or x minus 1 is 0, which gives you x is 1. Okay, so our third one just slightly harder now. X plus 1 over x minus 1 plus 3x minus 1 over 2x plus 1 equals 4. So it's a wee bit harder because we have x's on the top and the bottom, but we'll do it in exactly the same way. We'll get a common denominator. X minus 1 upon 2x plus 1. So our top's going to be x plus 1 upon 2x plus 1 plus 3x minus 1 upon x minus 1. And again, our 4 stays where it is. Multiplying out everything then, we get 2x squared plus x plus 2x plus 1 plus 3x squared minus 3x minus x plus 1. And on the bottom, 2x squared plus x minus 2x minus 1. Okay, so we're going to tidy up the top. So if 2x squared plus 3x squared gives us 5x squared, x plus 2x minus 3x minus x, that gives us minus x, and our 1 plus 1 is going to give you 2. On the bottom line, we have got 2x squared minus x minus 1, and that equals 4. Again, I'm going to bring the bottom line across. So it's 4 upon 2x squared minus x minus 1. Multiply out our bracket. We'll get 8x squared minus 8x minus 4. So now it's a quadratic that we're solving, so it has to equal 0. So I'm going to bring everything across to the right hand side. So we'll get 3x squared minus 3x minus 6. Again, we can make this more straightforward by dividing everything by 3, and we get x squared minus x minus 2 equals 0. So our product is minus 2, our sum is minus 1. So our two numbers that multiply together to give you minus 2 and add to give you minus 1 are minus 2 and 1. It's x, so we can put it straight into the brackets. So we get x minus 2 upon x plus 1. So x minus 2 is 0, which gives you x is 2, or x plus 1 equals 0, which gives you x equal minus 1. Okay, our fourth one then, x plus 3 over x minus 1 minus x minus 2 over 1 minus 2x equals 3. And again, it's really easy to make mistakes when you've got a minus sign. Okay, so we've got x minus 1 upon 1 minus 2x on the bottom. And at the top, we'll get x plus 3 upon 1 minus 2x minus x minus 2 upon x minus 1 equals 5. So this time when I multiply out our two brackets here in the top line, I'm just going to keep that within one big bracket just to try and minimize any issues with the minus sign in the middle here. So I get minus 2x squared plus x plus 3 minus 6x, and our two brackets here, x squared minus 2x minus x plus 2. On the bottom, when we multiply that out, we're going to get x minus 2x squared minus 1 plus 2x. Okay, then tidy up. So we get minus 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. And in the second bracket, I get x squared minus 3x plus 2. On the bottom line, I've got minus 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. Okay, so we've got minus 2x squared minus another x squared, so that's minus 3x squared. of minus 5x minus 3x. So that's minus 5x plus 3x, which we've got minus 2, and we've got 3 minus 2, which is 1. Okay, then I'm going to bring my bottom line across and multiply it by 5. So I have minus 3x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal minus 10x squared plus 15x minus 5. I'm going to bring everything across. We'll get minus 3x squared plus 10x squared minus 2x minus 15x and 1 plus 5. So that gives me 7x squared minus 17x plus 6 equals 0. Our product then is 42. Our sum is minus 17. Two numbers that multiply together to give you minus 17 and multiply together to give you 42 and add to give you minus 17 or minus 14 and minus 3. Rewrite the equation. Factorise our two pairs. So we'll get x minus 2 upon 7x minus 3 equals 0. So either x minus 2 equals 0, which would mean that x would have to be 2, or 7x minus 3 is 0. So that would give you 7x is 3 and x is 3/7.